So hello all, in this video we'll start a miscellaneous of chapter 6 class 11th question number 2nd. Let's start. Question number 2nd is 6 less than equal to, it is very easy, minus 3 2x minus 4 less than 12. Now what we have to do, we have to simplify. So here we have minus 3 in multiplier, so we have to remove it, divide whole equation by minus 3. 6 upon, okay, divide whole equation by by 3, right? 6 upon 3 lesser than equal to minus 3 upon 3, 2x minus 4 less than 12 upon 3, right? 6 upon 3 is 2, lesser than equal to minus 1 multiply this is minus 2x plus 4 less than 4, right? Now we have to remove this 4, so subtract 4 from both sides. 2 minus 4 less than equal to minus 2x minus plus 4 minus 4 less than 4 minus 4. Minus 2 is lesser than equal to minus 2x and lesser than equal to 0. So divide whole equation by 2. So we have minus 1 less than equal to minus x lesser than equal to 0. Now we have minus x here, right? Now if we divide it with minus 1, so we have to change the sign. So 1 lesser than equal to x and this will be 0, right? So we can say x is less than 1 and greater than 0. So right, less than equal to 1. So the solution for it will be 0, 1 open bracket, because lesser than equal to 1 and greater than 0. So this is question number 2nd. Next is question number 4. So in question number 4 is we have minus 15 less than thrice of x minus 2 divided by 5 lesser than equal to 0, right? So minus 15, now what do we have? Minus 15 multiplied 5 is minus 75 less than 3 bracket x minus 2 lesser than equal to 0 multiplied 5 is 0. Dividing both the sides by 3, so minus 25 less than x minus 2 lesser than equal to 0. Adding both the sides with 2, so minus 25 plus 2 is minus 23 less than x less than equal to 2. Or okay, this is the solution. So solution for it will be greater than minus 23. So x is greater than minus 23 and lesser than equal to 2. This will be the solution for it. Very easy it is. Next, let's take question number 10th, right? Rest of the parts are very easy, you can do yourself. Question number 10th. So in question number 10th, it is given that 5 bracket 2x minus 7 minus 3 bracket 2x plus 3 is lesser than equal to 0. So let's first simplify this and after that we will cover up the next equation. So 5 to 10x minus 35 minus 6x minus 9 is lesser than equal to 0. 10x minus 6x is 4x, minus 35 minus 9 is minus 44 lesser than equal to 0. So 4x is lesser than equal to 44. This implies x is lesser than equal to 11, right? So x is lesser than equal to 11. Next condition is 2x plus 19 is lesser than equal to 6x plus 47, right? So 2x plus 19 is lesser than equal to 6x plus 47. So we know that 2x minus 6x is lesser than equal to 47 minus 19. So 47 minus 19, 17 minus 9 is 8, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus 4x, right? So minus x is lesser than equal to 28 upon 4 is 7, or we can say x is greater than equal to minus 7, right? So x is greater than equal to minus 7. Now solution set for this condition, so for this question will be, solution will be x is greater than equal to minus 7 and lesser than equal to 11. So both with open brackets. Now we have to represent this condition on number line. So just draw a straight line using pencil and scale. Now this is, suppose this is origin. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, right? Minus x, and here we have to go till 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Equal gaps you have to take, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So from minus 6, right, dark circle, up to 11, right? So darken this up to 11, right? So this will be the solution, right? This is the required solution, or you can use some different color pen for it. This is the solution here, plus x, that is minus x. This is question number 10th, right? Next is question number 11th. So in question number 11th, we have 68 degree Fahrenheit up to is kept between 68 and 77. So temperature is kept between 68 and 77 degree Fahrenheit. So F value should be greater than this and lesser than this. So F is 9 by 5 C plus 32, right? It should be greater than 68 and lesser than 77. So 68 minus 32 less than 9 by 5 C less than 77 minus 32. So that will be, this will be 36 less than 9 by 5 C less than 45, right? So multiplying both the sides by 5 or dividing it by 9 first. So 36 divided by 9 is, multiply 5, let's do it together. C less than 45 multiply 5 upon 9. So 9 4 times 5 4 20 less than C less than 9 5 times 5 5 25. So thus the required temperature range in degree Celsius is between 20 degree to 25 degree Celsius. So degree Celsius should be in between 20 to 25, right? Should be greater than 20 and lesser than 25 degrees Celsius. This is our solution for question number 11th, right? Next, question number 12th. Okay, that was solution for question number 10th if it was not visible. Question number 12th. Next question is, so in a solution of 8% boric acid is to be diluted with by adding a 2% boric solution acid to it. The resulting mixture is to be more than 4% but less than 6% of the boric acid. If you have 640 liters of 8% solution, find out how many liters of 2% solution will have to be added. So wherever the question ends, start from there. Let x liters of 2% boric acid solution is required, right? So let x liters are required. So that means 2% boric acid is x liters, right? So total mixture will be x plus 640 liters now, right? So this resulting mixture should be 4%, more than 4% but less than 6% of boric acid. This implies 2% of x plus 8% of 640 should be greater than 4% of x plus 640, right? 4% should be greater than 4% of the total solution and lesser than 6% of the total solution. 6% uh, of x plus 640, right? Should be lesser than equal to 6% of x plus 640, right? So now let's just solve it. So 4%, so percent we have, so 4 upon 100 x plus 640, right? Less than 2 upon 100 x plus 8 upon 100 640, less than 6 upon 100 x plus 640, right? So 100 multiply whole equation by 100, so 100 from 100 will get cancelled. So 4 multiply x is for 4x plus 0 is 4 4 16, 6 and 1 6 4 24, 2 5 6 0, less than 2x plus 0 8 4 32, okay, 512 it is, 64 multiply it is 512, less than 6x plus 0, 6 multiply 4 24, 4 4 and 2 6 6 36 38, right? So this we have now, right? So let's subtract 5 and let's subtract 4x. Okay, so this is the required condition. Let's take it separately, right? So 4x plus 2560 less than 2x plus 5120 and 2x plus 5120 less than 6x plus 3840, right? So this will be 2x less than 5120 minus 2560, right? So 0, 12 minus 6 is 6, 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2, 2x. So x will be less than 1280, right? X should be less than 1280. Similarly, 2x is less than that, so we can say 6x minus 2x should be greater than 5120 minus 3840, right? So greater than 0, 12 minus 4 is 8, 10 minus 8 is 2, so 4 minus 3 is 1, 4x. X should be greater than 1280 divided by 4, so 320, right? So x should be greater than 320 and lesser than 1280. So range of x is 320 to 1280. So this is our required answer. Just put 320 liters and 1280 liters, so it should lie in between these two values, right? Next is question number 13. How many liters of water will be added to 1125 liters of 45% of solution so that the resulting mixture will contain more than 25% but less than 30% of the content? So again, let x liters of water be required, right? So x liters of water be required. So if x liters of water is required, so when x is added, so total mixture is equal to x plus 1125 liters, right? Total mixture is x plus 1125 liter. Now according to the question, it should be greater than 45% and lesser than, greater than 25% and lesser than 30% solution, right? So we can say 30% of 1125 plus x, right, should be greater than 45% of 1125, and this should be greater than 25% of 1125 plus x, right? So now just separate these two equations, simplify this as we did in question number 12th and get the answer. So that is question number 13th, exactly similar to question number 12th. Next is question number 14th. IQ is, this you have to solve. IQ is equal to MA upon CA multiplied by 100, right? So this IQ should be, okay, CA means age group, right? Chronological age, right? So chronological age is given, it is 82. Okay, this condition is given already. So for a 12-year-old child, CA is 12, so IQ will be equal to MA upon 12 multiplied by 100 for 12-year-old child, and this should be 80, should be greater than equal to 80. IQ should be greater than equal to 80 and lesser than equal to 100, right? Lesser than equal to 140. So 80 should be lesser than, okay, IQ should be greater than equal to, so IQ value is MA upon 12 multiplied by 100 lesser than equal to 140, right? So just simplify this condition, you will get the answer, right? So just simplify this condition, or let me do it. 80 multiplied by 12 upon 100 should be less than MA, should be less than, not equal to, should be less than, okay, equal to's are there, equal to 140 multiplied by 12 upon 100, right? Simplify this for MA, so you will get the answer. So that's all for this video. We have completed miscellaneous exercise of chapter 6. If any doubt is there, just ask me in the comment box. So thank you all for watching the video.